Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week we are going to Ireland. We're going to make traditional Irish Boxty, which are Irish potato pancakes. So that should be fun, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. I've never made potato pancakes. There's really not a lot to it. It's mashed potatoes, flour, raw grated potatoes, salt, baking powder, and buttermilk. So I already have the mashed potatoes. I already grated up the potatoes because it's literally just grating potatoes. So there's really nothing to it. In here I have 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. I already got that mixed up. In here I have my grated potato and mashed potato. So I'm just gonna mix that up. I feel like I'm gonna end up using my hands for this. The potato pancake, cute. I did made the first couple that I made were just plain, like flour, potato, salt. That's it. I tried it. And I know that Boxty is typically served with breakfast, so you know you could eat it with your eggs or your bacon and whatever, but you're also supposed to be able to eat it just by itself, which for me personally, the flour, salt, potato was not doing it. So I added, some little extras. I added a little more salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, and it smells delicious. That's better. That's a lot better. It's amazing what potatoes can do. Boil them, mash them, put them in a stew. Or a pancake. I highly recommend it. It's good. It's, yeah. Oh, potatoes. I like potatoes. Oh, and if you make this correctly, whatever. The way that I made it, because the butter I used isn't like real butter, and the buttermilk was made with oat milk, this was completely vegan. So, fun fact, fun little tiddly bit. We're almost done. We only got 3 things left. Fudge buckets. Fuck. Oh no. Fuck. So originally, I was gonna end up saving this one for last. But if I have learned anything, well, then maybe I should. I have like a little party. No, fuck it. If I learned anything from what I did when I was getting my degree, is maybe you shouldn't save the hardest thing for last. Calculus. So this next week. God help me. I'm gonna do France. Croquembouche. If you don't know what that is, I think I was trolling myself, to be completely honest. It is about 100 cream puffs, all bound together in a little like pyramid of cream puffs, glued together with, you know, sugar, magnum, liquid hot magma. Yeah, in the spirit of not saving the hardest thing for last. Next week we're doing croquembouche. And I'm gonna have a breakdown. And hopefully not have any sugar burns. Yeah. Yay! The good news is I have made pâte à choux before, because I made eclairs. So fingers crossed I'm sweating. Oh my god. So yeah, fingers crossed that goes that goes okay. Either way, I want to film it, so you know, even if it's a hot mess, you'll watch it. It's officially Leo season, so let's really, you know, just throw down. Okay, it's gonna be great. Maybe we'll have to have like an early birthday thing, just so people will eat it. 'Cause there's a lot of cream puffs. I'm gonna go panic, rock in the corner a little and cry. Hope you guys are having a good week, staying hydrated. It's been hot as balls, so definitely stay hydrated, stay cool, and yeah. Deep breath. I'll see you next Tuesday. For better or worse.